Having achieved that, our ambitions were still quite high. And we kept growing, and we were pace which we really had trouble keeping up with because we had more business than what we could produce. So come 1989, 90, McKinsey entered India, and they came to us and said, we want you to be our first customer. So they wrote a proposal for us where they said, we will take you to the United States. You set up a factory there to make computers, and we will help you to position yourself correctly. We did that. We started our business in Silicon Valley. We set up a manufacturing plant. Can you imagine taking coal to Newcastle? But we had the gumption. We were young. We had no fear. So we did that, and we started out. We got a lot of business. But unfortunately, the McKinsey report did not tell us that one part of our product was not certified in the United States, which is the power supply. And as a result, all the work that we had done got lost. All the business that we had got could not be delivered. So that was a failure. Very early days of our life as a company, it was a failure.